The third thing you can really do in this sort of VR environment is entertainment, TV, movies, concerts, and there's a lot of different places to go. Concerts and events are often held in spaces like Horizons or in Rec Room. So there's lots of places you can go if you want to be part of a virtual experience with lots of other people to enjoy an artist. VR is also really interesting as a new art form. This is a medium just like television, just like theater, just like movies. And a lot of movies are being made as original short films for VR. To my mind, the most notable entries in the VR film world have been made by Oculus Story Studios. Story Studios has made a really remarkable number of short films. One I recommend you checking out is called Henry. It's a really adorable cartoon about a hedgehog at a birthday party. There is also a great movie worth looking up called Dear Angelica. This is a kind of interactive story about a young girl. It's really well done. What you're kind of seeing here is the early days of film, right? And these are the kind of experiences that are someday going to be winning Oscars or whatever the VR equivalent is going to be. Finally, if you're looking for entertainment, something that you definitely need to look at is YouTube VR. YouTube VR is just a channel on YouTube like anything else, but there are lots and lots of VR videos there. Now note that these are mostly static. Most of this is simply 360-degree video rather than it actually being a virtual world you can explore. But there's some really cool stuff where people will record a 360-degree video of a great vacation destination, and you can watch the video and feel like you're standing on a beach and look around and experience that place. There's also a lot of music videos and short films, and they're all of very different quality, but it's probably the place where you're going to find the widest variety and biggest number of those 360-degree videos, and you can certainly flip through it until you find something that's right for you. So that's probably just going to get you started, right? That's just your first day or two of I've got my headset and here's what I've got to check out. As you get further into your new headset, you're going to find things that you really enjoy, and why not make a note for us in the comments. Let us know that what you're really enjoying, and maybe we'll take a look at that experience in a future video. You can see more videos like this here on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe.